The notes our parents left us said we should order pizza with the money on the table. What is this?
Yeah. Well, but I had other ideas.
Clearly.
So, what do you think? It's your favorite, right? Mashed potatoes?
I guess.
Well, let me know if you want anything else. I can always order the pizza like mom, your mom said in the note. I just assumed I'd put some effort into, I don't know, bonding.
You seem to be enjoying the food.
Well, yeah, this is my favorite recipe. I love steak and potatoes. It's always been my favorite family meal since I was little.
Cool.
And it's quite simple, really. First, I pound out the meat and I laid it to put it on the griddle. And then I also prepared some green beans to make, but those didn't make it to the final plates, unfortunately. Or fortunately. And while the meat cooked, I threw mashed potatoes into a pot over low heat and tossed it with some butter, milk, and a dash of heavy cream, my secret ingredient. And once the meat was finally cooking, I moved it to the cutting board and sliced it platingly accordingly.
Wait.
What?
You seasoned the meat, right?
Of course I did. What are you talking about? Crap.
How could you be so dumb as to forget the seasoning?
Oh, I must not have been thinking clearly. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Just pass the salt.
No. No, let me fix this. I'll do it the way my dad does.
No, I like it the way my mom does it. Just
No, trust me, I got this.
No, really, it isn't that big of a deal. I can handle it.
It's okay. I planned this meal to be so great, and it's up to me to fix it.
No, James, I want to fix it myself.
Well, I'm not gonna let you.
Give it to me.
Just trust me, Olivia. I can fix this.
Great. Now I'm wearing dinner.
Oh my God, Olivia, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Take that! That's what you get for smothering me in mashed potatoes.
You were right, actually. This is pretty good.
Told you. Now, help me clean this mess up before our parents get home. Thank you for the dinner. It was good.
You didn't eat it.
Well, why don't we put that $20 to good use?
I would love to. I'll call the pizza place.